Good day. We are asked to solve this problem where we are given that this function is defined on a set of real number. We have to find the inverse of this function. So how do we get the inverse of this function? Of course, we are given f of x to be equal to 4x plus 3. So we can say let z equal to 4x plus 3. So that if z is equal to 4x plus 3, if z is equal to 4x plus 3, then I will make x the subject formula here. I will say z minus 3 is equal to 4x. I will divide both sides by 4 so that x will be equal to what? Z minus 3 all over 4. That is x. That is x. So that is x. So if f, which is a function of this, is equal to z, this is equal to z, okay, then f inverse of z now will give us what we have here. That will be x. F inverse of z will give us z minus 3 all over 4. Since we make this the formula. Then f inverse of x, wherever you see z, you change it to x. That will be x minus 3 all over 4. That's what we are going to get. Then the first question, we have to find f inverse of 1. That will be 1 minus, f inverse of 1 will be 1 minus 3. That will be 1 minus 3 all over 4. And that will be minus 2 over 4. That's minus half. Then the second one, we have to find f inverse of 0. F inverse of 0 will be 0 minus 3. That will be minus 3 all over 4. So if you want to find the inverse, just assume what you are given as a particular value. Let's assume it for a particular value. Then we should be able to do what we have on the board. So f of x, denote it as maybe y or something or z. Then make z subject to the formula. You understand? We make z the formula. At the end of the day, you bring out the value of x. Once you bring out the value of x, then f inverse of z will give us x, which is the value of x. Then what's the value of x? You replace it back. Change z, x to z, then we'll be able to do what we have on the board. Thank you.